36 official national birds of the world. When and why they were chosen. Let's dive in. Malaysia. National bird. Rhinoceros hornbill. In 1990, the rhinoceros hornbill became the national bird of Malaysia. The rhinoceros hornbill is chosen as the national bird since Malaysia is known as the land of hornbill. There are plenty of hornbill there. Malta. National bird. Blue Rock Trust. In 1971, the Blue Rock Trust Merrill was declared the national bird of Malta. The Blue Rock Trust is said to be scarce shy bird. It was chosen to be the national bird of Malta to give the species protection, which is driven to extinction by hunters and nest robbers. Mauritius, national bird. Mauritius kestrel. On March 12, 2022, the Mauritius kestrel was proclaimed the national bird of Mauritius. By declaring the Mauritius kestrel the national bird, Mauritius government is recognizing its value and making a commitment to care for it and other wildlife of the country. Mexico, national bird. Mexican eagle, crested caracara. In 1812, the Mexican eagle became a national symbol of Mexico. Mexico's national bird is the Mexican eagle because the eagle was originally a representation of the Aztec sun god and deity of war. Mongolia, national bird. Saker falcon. The Saker falcon was selected as the national bird of Mongolia in 2012. Saker falcon is a wonderful bird of prey of Mongolia and a symbol of freedom and power. Montenegro, national bird. Two-headed eagle. In 1858, a new flag with a double-headed eagle was introduced, which became a national symbol of Montenegro. In Montenegro, the two-headed eagle is a symbol of ancient Roman origin. It symbolizes unity or the close connections between the state and the church. Morocco, national bird. Mosher's redstart. In 1996, the Mosher's redstart was declared the national bird of Morocco. Mosher's redstart was chosen as national bird because it is abundantly found in Morocco. The bird is an important symbol in the coat of arms of Morocco. Nauru, national bird. Frigate bird. The frigate bird is both the national bird and the national animal of Nauru. In 1968, it became a national symbol when it appeared in Nauru's coat of arms. The frigate bird is regarded as both cosmological symbol and physical messenger. Nepal, national bird. Himalayan monal. In 1963, the Himalayan monal became a national symbol. The Himalayan monal, one of the royal bird with its multicolored body, reflects Nepal's multilingual, multi-ethnic, and multicultural culture of Nepal. Netherlands, national bird. Black black-tailed godwit. In 2015, the black-tailed godwit, Lemusa lemusa, had been elected as national bird of the Netherlands. The black-tailed godwit, being the national bird of the Netherlands, can save it from near threatened. New Zealand national bird. Kiwi bird. The kiwi as a national symbol first appeared in the late 19th century in New Zealand regimental badges. The kiwi was chosen the national bird of New Zealand because it was regarded as a symbol for uniqueness of the country's wildlife. Its feathers are highly valued in weaving cloth for high-ranked people. Norway national bird. White-throated dipper. Norway's national bird has been the white-throated dipper since 1963. The white-throated dipper's ability to nest and live in the variant and ever-changing seasonal nature of Norway is the reason why it was selected. Pakistan national bird. Chukar partridge. In 1985, the chukar partridge was declared the national bird of Pakistan. The choice to declare the chukar partridge as the national bird reflects Pakistan's commitment to the preservation and conservation of its natural resources. Palestine national bird. Palestine sunbird. In 2015, the Palestine sunbird was declared the national bird of Palestine. The Palestine sunbird's ability to thrive in different environments symbolizes the adaptability and endurance of the Palestinian people. Panama national bird. Harpy eagle. On April 10, 2002, Panama declared the harpy eagle as its national bird. The harpy eagle, the strongest and most powerful eagle in the world, is the national bird of Panama and portrayed in the country's coat of arms. Papua New Guinea national bird. Ragiani bird of paradise. In 1981, the Ragiani bird of paradise was made the official bird of Papua New Guinea. Ragiani bird of paradise was chosen as national bird because it played a significant role in the social and cultural activities of Papua New Guinea. Peru national bird. Anjan cock of the rock. Under the Supreme Resolution of December 11, 1941, the Anjan cock of the rock was named as the national bird of Peru. The Anjan cock of the rock is more than a bird. With its bright orange-red crest, it embodies Peru's biodiversity and wealth. Philippines national bird. Philippine eagle. On July 4, 1995, under Proclamation number 615, series of 1995, the Philippine eagle was officially declared the national bird of the Philippines. The Philippine eagle is considered the largest and the most powerful bird of prey in the world. It is monogamous and loyal. The female eagle lays only one egg every 2 years. The Philippines is saving it from extinction. Poland, national bird. White-tailed eagle. Way back in 1295, the white-tailed eagle became national emblem of Poland. To Poland, the eagle symbolized sovereignty and unity of the state. Portugal, national bird. Barcelos rooster. In the 1960s, the Barcelos rooster, a traditional Portuguese icon, became a symbol of Portuguese culture and identity. The Barcelos rooster, the national bird of Portugal, is a national emblem symbolizing justice and good fortune. Saint Lucia, national bird. Saint Lucia parrot. In 1979, the parrot was officially designated national bird of Saint Lucia. Saint Lucia Amazon. This beautiful parrot is and always has been found only in Saint Lucia, that make it a national emblem of Saint Lucia. Saint Vincent and the Grenadines, national bird. Saint Vincent Amazon. On October 27, 1979, the Saint Vincent Amazon was declared the national bird of Saint Vincent and the Grenadines. As part of the country's first independence celebration, Saint Vincent Amazon was chosen. These rare birds are found only on Saint Vincent. Samoa, national bird. Tooth-billed pigeon. Manomia. The tooth-billed pigeon became the national bird of Samoa in 1990s. To save the tooth-billed pigeon on red list of threatened species, being found nowhere else in the world, have made it a national symbol. Serbia, national bird. Eastern Imperial Eagle. The eagle has been used in the coat of arms of Kingdom of Serbia from 1882 to 1918. Serbia had long efforts to protect the nest of the eagle and conserve the rare species due to deforestation and loss of habitat. Singapore, national bird. Crimson sunbird. On October 31, 2015, the crimson sunbird was chosen the national bird of Singapore. Though not officially declared, the crimson sunbird emerged victorious, receiving most votes from Singaporeans due to its red brilliant feather and its small size. South Africa, national bird. Blue crane. South Africa's national bird is the blue crane. Until 2012, they appear on South Africa's 5-cent coin. Blue crane was chosen as national bird of South Africa because of its unique beauty. They are seen by some tribes as a symbol of bravery. Spain national bird. Spanish Imperial Eagle. The eagle became a symbol of the Spanish transition to democracy from 1977 to 1981. The Spanish Imperial Eagle is one of the rarest birds of prey on earth, making it Spain's national bird can save it in danger of extinction. Sweden national bird. Common blackbird. In 1962, the common blackbird became the national bird of Sweden as a result of a newspaper poll. The blackbird was chosen as national bird of Sweden, a handsome, charming bird with a beautiful song. Thailand national bird. Siamese Parrot. In 1985, the Thai cabinet approved the adopted the Siamese Parrot as the national bird of Thailand. The Siamese Parrot was chosen as national bird because to Thai it is a symbol of elegance, resilience, and cultural significance. Trinidad and Tobago national bird. When the Trinidad and Tobago gained independence in 1962, it was suitable to declare the scarlet ibis as the national bird. In 1962, the scarlet ibis was declared the national bird of Trinidad. While in 1962, the coquerico became the national bird of Tobago. Uganda national bird. Gray crowned crane. In 1893, the gray crowned crane became a national symbol. It is featured in Uganda's coat of arms and flag. The gray crowned crane is well known for its gentle nature and beauty. Was chosen as the national bird of Uganda. The raised legs of the crane symbolize the forward movement of Uganda. United Kingdom national bird. European robin. In 1960, the robin was adopted an official national bird of UK. In 2015, the robin was again voted as national bird in a poll, taking 34% of the final vote. European robin is among UK's favorite. It's being territorial, chippy, and striking about its weight are the reasons why Britons have voted for it. United States of America national bird. Bald eagle. On June 20, 1782, the bald eagle became the national bird of the United States. The bald eagle is best known for striking white feathers on their head and tail that gleam in contrast to their chocolate brown body. The first beauty is said to symbolize the strength and freedom of the United States. Yemen national bird. Arabian golden winged grosbeak. In 2008, the Arabian golden winged grosbeak was officially designated as Yemen's national bird. To Yemen, the bird served as a symbol to promote wildlife education and conservation actions. Zimbabwe national bird. August 11, 1924, the Zimbabwe bird first appeared in the coat of arms of Zimbabwe. November 11, 1968, the Zimbabwe bird was first used on a national flag. Zimbabwe believe the bird is a good omen, a symbol of a protective spirit and a messenger of the gods. Birds play a vital role in the ecosystem. Birds are considered national emblem or symbol. A national bird is one way most countries represent themselves. Having a national bird is a source of pride and identification for such country. Their chosen bird represent the values and qualities of their nation, who have claimed the bird as their own. That's all. Thanks for the time spent and see you on my next video.